N50, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 to a
YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video you're gonna change the coolant hose, because the one that I got on the deer, it was rubbing on the manifold, so it got burned, so it was leaking coolant. So right now I'm just gonna change the hose. I got a brand new one. Yeah. So I got the brand new one right here, so I'm about to change it. My boy testing out this electric jack. Yeah, so I'm gonna lay this down right now and then go under there and check it. So we're gonna take off that hose and then we're gonna put on this one. But if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and let's get it. Alright guys, so I had to take out the radiator fan to get to the hose, but I already get to the one under the bottom already. So now I'm gonna try to get to the one right here, like all the way on the thermostat. So we're gonna have to lift up the clip and then we could drag the hose off. When I take it off, I'm gonna show you guys where it burned on, and we got the new one right here on the floor. Alright guys, so I had to go ahead and take out back the turbo so I could get right to this one right here, because I was trying to take it off without taking out the turbo, but that couldn't work, so that's what I had to do. I leave the lines and all of that. So now we're gonna take it off. And we're gonna change the hose to the new one right here. Alright guys, so here's the hose I had to take out. I have to take off the turbo to get to it. So here's the new one. So I'm gonna wrap this one with heat wrap. So the coolant was coming from right here. Yeah. So right now I'm about to put on the new one right now, but I'm gonna wrap it first. Alright guys, so I got the hose on right now, so and I heat wrap it. So right now I'm gonna connect back the wire right there, and then I'm gonna route it down there, and I'm gonna put it back on the water pump down there first, and then I'm gonna come and connect it right there. Alright guys, so everything is buttoned up right now. So only thing leave is just to tighten this part right here, and then put back the turbo and then put some coolant. Alright guys, so I just put some coolant in there. You could see still got coolant, but I'm gonna go refill the bottle with some water and then put some more concentrate in it. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put back the turbo real quick, put back the turbo, button up back everything, and then we're gonna get it started. Alright guys, so I already fixed the coolant pipe, so I got the new one in right now. But right now I'm low on coolant, so I'm going to the house real quick to see if I could get some water, because I got some concentrate that I get from AutoZone. So I'm just gonna mix it with the water, and then that's gonna make coolant. So that's what I'm gonna do. But if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Peace. I'll catch you in the next one.